Zia Ahmed Awan, advocate, civil rights activist and founder of Madadgar National Helpline, held a presser presenting case study of a Christian lady named Venus, whose 15-year-old daughter has allegedly been kidnapped. Commenting on her conversion and marriage, Zia Awan said,
"They are saying that they have converted to Muslim, and conversion is being taken place according to them from some madrasa, and also they got married. Madadgar helpline is a national helpline, and we also follow up that how we have to see the children condition and how to protect them, and we work on protection. That's why a lot of cases are coming to us, and specifically when we are doing lobbying to the governments to introduce such laws which is protecting children, including the child marriage restraint law.
Back in 2013, Sindh Assembly has passed Child Marriages Restraint Act, declaring marriage below the age of 18 a cognizable and non-bailable offence. The PPP leadership prompted to take the credit with extensive advertisements that appeared in the media.
Sindh province has introduced in 2013 a new law passed by this Sindh Provincial Assembly. This act says that marriage age is 18, and therefore they said in the law that if somebody violates, whether men or women, married to a child, so he can be punished for 3 years, and it's a cognizable offence under the Act, which Act of 2013, and in that they say that facilitators also will be punished. Facilitator meaning by the person who performs the marriage, nikah, also the witnesses, and also the people who provide the place or organize that. So they can be punished also for 3 years.
He held that it was a good law but has not been implemented properly.
And the Sindh Assembly has taken the lead, Sindh government has taken the lead, but we need to have implementation plan.
But despite passing of the bill, child marriages are taking place unchecked all over the Sindh.
There are hundreds of cases which are happening. Child marriage is still happening because the law is there, but there is no system how to monitor the nikah khwan, the people. There is a need to have awareness. There is need to have a proper plan by the Sindh government, their social welfare department, their women department, health department, education department, work together to implement this kind of law.
Zia Awan held that ulema should scrutinize conversion cases carefully.
We also requested the ulamas that for fake purposes, people go and convert. So we really want that they should also see that their designs are different.